Don't never doubt the Lord. He always know what he doing. It just ain't work out for you or me. It worked out for him. It just ain't work out for you, my nigga. But that wasn't, I feel like, low-key, that wasn't for you to even disclaim. So low-key, it just really don't matter. Okay. Make sure I got everything out, cause I don't want to have to come back in here for nothing. For nothing at all. Come back and got the rest of it. Oh shit, these dogs get, what the fuck? That's why I won't keep dogs. I keep guns. I'm gonna shoot the fuck out of somebody. Fuck you find these animals at? Oh gosh. I be seeing why I'm not tempted to life, baby. Why? That don't look like a deer. The fuck? That's how people be having all these imaginations. You know, extraterrestrial people. You know what I'm saying? Like, you're not supposed to be playing with them type of animals. I heard them dangerous. Fuck. You know, by animals. Just like not tapping into wild animals, man. For real. Yeah, my fault, but could have been. You could have been a deer for all I know. Sorry, I got a dog, but that's my mom's dog. You know what I'm saying? Like, on my dad's side, we don't got no pets. We don't keep pets. What the fuck is a dog, nigga? You need to move that motherfucker. It look like a fucking bear. They gonna think I mean, but I don't care, man. You mean as hell too. Don't want to give me no motherfucking money, no house to stay. That's why your animals look like a motherfucking bear. Up. Yeah, I think I mean, I don't care. I told you that 10 million times, man. Nobody never want to listen. Now all of a sudden you want to show you like, you want to bring that mother around, I'm going to call animal patrol. I see you in court, nigga. What you mean? That's what type of time I'm coming for. If I can put my dog. $1 too, nigga. $1 too. I mean, you started it. You started it.
4-7.
key to get in this room. They don't think I mean, but I don't care, man. I be dead ass. That's why I don't be want to go around animals and shit, man. I don't be trying to be mean to folks or anything like that. But sometimes I just don't be fucking with the same shit y'all fucking with. No. Look at that. 2 more times. That's not what I'm carrying. I like working out. He works out though. God know what he's doing. I can't say that. That's a strong man. She go to church, man. He'll tell you what's going on. He'll specifically tell you. That's just how I be feeling. Like, if you don't get your answers, maybe you should ask God what was said. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's just how I be feeling. Like, over time, if you didn't get your answer, maybe God already answered your question. It's hard for you to accept reality. That's how I be feeling. A lot of people don't feel that same way because, like, I'm a hustler or whatever like that. They be like, oh no, it's not over, da 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 da. But for certain things, it's stupid though. You know what I'm saying? We can show you, or we can answer your question. You know? So that just be my thing. Then I like the people that don't like their question answered. Because it's more for me. Because you don't want to find out the answer. I know the answer. Cool. So either way, it's a win-win for me. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I like it. Because I don't give a fuck about you. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wouldn't give a fuck if you wish anything bad to happen to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I wouldn't wish the world to crash. I wouldn't wish for the sky to fall on you. You know what I'm saying? But it is what it is. Because the sky offers too many blessings for me. So it's some things I just wouldn't wish on people's, but yeah. I'm just laying down for a minute. I might lay down for 10 minutes because it's so comfortable. I've just been going on, man. materialistic things to people matter. I've noticed that. You know what I'm saying? Like, you can't go a day without getting your hair done. You can't go a week without getting your nails done. You can't go a month without a facial. You know what I'm saying? So, like, materialistic things matter to you. You know what I'm saying? So, you gotta watch out for those people. Those type of people is dangerous for your life. You know what I'm saying? Like, people that has no filter, like, none. Like, stop playing. Like, maybe either you playing with the devil, or you just don't like your life. Like, what? Like, you not once had a time where you went to sleep. Like, I just don't be understanding, why do it take for a tragic in life to happen for you to for God to sit your ass down? Cause like, by this time I just be feeling like that's what he doing. He's sitting you down so he can work on you. You know what I'm saying? Like, give you things you ain't asked for, give you things you can't get, give you things somebody else asked for. All of that. He working on all of that, baby. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I appreciate this time. I got a real bad neck ache, y'all. I need to go see a massage therapist. But I ain't going until like next week. It is almost 11. I got like 3 hours to get dressed. I don't know, y'all. My hair's not giving. It's okay coming up. I'm gonna spray a little bit of. I just don't want to put no bond glue on it because it low-key might mess up my lace. That's why I don't want to put a bond glue. I might just continue to use some edge stuff and then go see my stylist like Friday when I make some money. Have her do a little touch up in the bag. Have her do a little fix my lace too. That's plenty. I'm gonna start dropping these videos for y'all because I know y'all be asking for them and stuff. I still got some more stuff upstairs to go get, so we got to go upstairs, go grab those. I gotta grab my shoes and some clothes that's on the floor, and that's about it. Then we're gonna come down here, we're gonna unpack all this stuff, and I want some Subway. I was gonna do a mukbang personally and go ahead and put it on a family channel, but I'm not gonna do a mukbang. They say we're gonna do a mukbang together, so we're gonna do me and Bae go do a mukbang for y'all and fill y'all in on the details in life and, you know, what's been going on, what's gonna be tea, you know what I'm saying, what we got in store for y'all, all our family vacations we have coming up, mountain trips, all of that good stuff. So we definitely go tap into that in a few days. But for right now, whew, your girl is starving. I don't even think I could make it over there to Subway. Starving I am, y'all. When I tell y'all my stomach is literally touching my back right now, it's like literally touching my freaking back. So I'm about to go ahead and find some strength to go get my my stuff in and go get some food before I crash like a dummy. I feel like money bag. And you go crash like a dummy. Hey. For real. I don't know how they be doing that shit, but baby, I'm crashing. I need a Red Bull, saying. I need a Red Bull. Because the way I'm feeling, baby. Like, the plan was, okay, y'all. Last week, the plan was to go to the club and make 3 bands. 3 bands. That's all you needed. 3. Nigga, you couldn't even make 2. You know what I'm saying? Like, you had so much to say about your girl. Like, no way I would have done that. I wouldn't have done it that way. You know what I'm saying? I would have waited because, for one, like, you not rich, and it's gonna take you longer to try to get richer than it is for you to go broke. You know what I'm saying? Baby. Not I. 3 bands. That's all you need. That's all the kid need. 3 bands. Nah, bitch, you need 7. You need 7. Cause you be playing. You gotta start over. I'm sorry. I'm sorry to tell you. I'm sorry to tell you that. She was like, yeah, nigga, I don't like you neither. I got to tell you too. I don't need to do shit for you. Get this up. I don't need to do nothing or that I don't want to do. I'm gonna show you again. I'm gonna show you again. Choke. 2 band ass. 2 band. I ain't putting that on here. I'm about to go make that shit. Put it. Never, bitch. I wouldn't even give you the time of day. Let's go get the rest of this stuff. We made it. Okay, y'all, so we got everything. I said I was gonna do 2 trips. We might do 2. My shoes. I was saying, y'all, I'm ready for Carolyn's open. Cause I'm be getting on all these. Look, you got playing with your girl. Carol. Thought I wasn't gonna be like, with that bread. With that bread. Where the little bready? Bready, where's the bread? I still be playing these games with people. Still playing games. That soda so old, it look flat. But I don't care, baby. I was just trying. That's why God loved me and not you. Because I know how to keep his worst secrets. But you, on the other hand, you go be like, that's why. Let's go to church. Nah, I ain't going to church. Go wait for that big head boy. He don't want to wait 30 days to sit down here and kick it with the kid. I bet you that. I just be stirring those shit up. But see, that's why you don't let outers inside your business, because you never know what God got in store for you. Okay, let's go get these shoes. I'm not playing about no food. That's one thing your girl don't play about is her food, which I go get my food right now and say, fuck them shoes, baby. I come back and get them things after I finish my snacky snack. I'm starving like Dracula. Shoes, food, chill. I want to do another night shift, y'all. I'm so tired. Every time I get ready to do something on my end, I get distracted and need extra time. Want to work with me? I don't want to work with you.
47 going up.
You be looking like you talking. Confused. Okay, y'all. Say goodbye to the throne. Chill out. But I'm sorry, like, don't ruin my vibe. I just got done fucking explaining that shit. Stop ruining my motherfucking vibe. I'm sorry, but not my problem. You're still fucking up my vibe. That's my energy, my health. My health matters. Motherfucking matters. So stay the fuck away from me. Don't give a fuck. I mean, everybody else should. I just be feeling like people just be doing that shit on purpose. Like, stop. I need to stop. Like, ain't nobody trying to be funny towards you. If anything, you trying to be funny. Got all my shoes. Einstein's nigga. We going on our in my favorite rocket ship, swimming through the sky. Einstein, climb aboard, be ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einstein. Zooming through the sky, I little Einstein, kind of bored, Hi, can you press 5 for me? 5, single. Thank you.
Canada has serious concerns with the breach of the 1961 Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations Flag. Mediante el cual expresa su rechazo por la inobservancia de la Convención de Viena, han sido ocurridos.
Could you put that on top of me? Thank you. Sorry. Thank you. Help. Let's take us to bed. We are about to go get some food because my health matters, baby. My health matters. Oh yeah, before I go get I feel like I'm gonna pass out. I don't got enough air or oxygen running through my body for real, for real. My eyes can barely stay open. I bet you if the doctor looked in my eyes, he could be like, girl, you dehydrated. He might be like, girl, ain't nothing wrong with you. But, yeah, y'all. Oh, I just had to take a break, y'all. Y'all just know I'm just tired. I just don't get it. Like, last time I went through this, like, I really got sick, y'all. Like, I think that's it. I don't know where I put it. But last time I went through this, like, I really got sick. This time, the first time, it was with a headache. It was a real bad headache. This time, I just can't stop puking. Like, it's like I got the flu or something. Like, I just don't know what's wrong. And it started last night. Like, last night, when I put my head down, I was like, girl, you dizzy as fuck, girl. I was like literally, I was dizzy. Like, I was like, what the fuck is going on? You know what I'm saying? Like, I started getting into my little feelings. Like, girl, you're not making no money really up in here. You know, those thoughts started traveling by that time. By the time 1 o'clock came, I was like, damn, you know, money. So I ended up laying my head down. I laid my head down on, like, the front of the chair, which felt like mad relaxing. Like, it's like I don't have a headache as bad if I lean my head forward. I don't got a real bad headache. So I did that for about 15 minutes. And then I got up. And then that's when I went to the back. Because I was like, I can't sit out here on the floor feeling like this. So I went to the back. And I got dressed out. And I waited. I just waited because I was not feeling good. Then I came home and I feel like fucking dog shit. When a dog gotta go take a shit. Just let's roast it. My legs hurt. I've been grinding. I've been giving y'all hella these vlogs. I know y'all love and enjoy my content, especially those weekly vlogs. What? Girl ain't let up on y'all. I gave y'all everyday vlogs for 7 days straight. You know what I'm saying? Whether it was working at Arby's or going to the club, y'all got vlogs. And then now, y'all gonna get weekly vlogs, including like daily vlogs, get ready with me and stuff like that. We gonna do, me and my boyfriend, we gonna do a mukbang and tell y'all why I quit my 9 to 5. So make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And how I transitioned from a 9 to 5 to a housewife. We're gonna talk about all of that in our vlogs. So make sure you guys go ahead, get an early seat over to the Browns Family channel, because yeah, it's gonna go down. But yep, right now we kind of like in a transition. I think they want me to transition from like dancing to YouTubing, but that means he low-key gotta give me more content to do and stuff like that. So I am kind of, you know, kind of excited for what's in store for that if I decide to stop dancing and then just do straight YouTubing or whatever. So just giving y'all content like maintenance content, hair content, kid content, everything like that. So of course I'm definitely ready and up for that. A lot of stuff gonna be posted over on the Browns channel, because this channel I'll be dancing sometimes. Like y'all will see me post on this channel sometimes, but only because I got a family now. I'm not gonna be posting on this channel as much. So okay, this might be like the last time y'all see me on this channel. So y'all better enjoy these vloggy vlogs like y'all can. Because after a while, your girl gonna hang up the towel and transition from this channel to the family channel. So that's what's the tea. That's tea. I'm about to go over here to the Subway because your girl is craving. It's a sub with some. I want some lettuce, some oil and vinegar, some cucumbers, my sandwich. I also want I want some cold stuff, low-key. Like, it gotta be cold. I don't want it warmed up. I want a cold sandwich. That's how I'm feeling. You know how your body temperature, when your body temperature don't feel the same, you get like, you feel sick or something like that. Like in my stomach area, my body temperature feel like 90 degrees. But my head, my arms, and my legs, that shit feel like 64. It's cold as fuck. We got this key. And because it's wet outside, we're gonna go in and switch shoes from these slippers to my Pumas. Because I don't want my feet to be wet while I'm walking to get this food. When I come back, I'm gonna do a little bit of workouts and freshen up, take another shower. I might head out to the club. Gotta do my hair. early bird seat. Cause you're gonna need some money. I need a lot of money. I need like $700. It's about to be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What Thursday, Friday, Saturday? I'm glad this phone has more storage. I guess I could give y'all like longer content. I feel tired. I can feel bags up under my eyes. That's why I keep saying I'm tired. I'm trying to figure out how to. And I think it's like not bags up under my eyes too, but bags on top of my eyes. Like what?
Lobby. Going up.
Let's go get some food. Cause I don't feel good. Man, I just rather like keep my metabolism up so I don't be sick all day. I would have ate some clovers again, but I don't know, fried food. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just outside. Y'all know when I get outside, I get the thinking. How people don't know when their body is about to shut down on them. Like, I just don't understand. You go wait all the way up until your body shuts down to say something is wrong. Like, I don't get it. Nah, bitch, something is wrong with me. Keep saying. I'm not waiting until my body shut all the way down to be like, oh, something was wrong with me. Nah, you need to know ahead of time, baby. For real. Say something in the air or something. My daddy's short. They probably let me know. She said spinach. That kind of sounds good too. And you know they got that beef spinach. I didn't know spinach was leaves anyway, because they don't come like that. The spinach come out really cooked. A little bit of seasoning like you do in greens. Just some good spinach.
Yeah. When I first started, yeah. That was about like.
I'm gonna need some spinach too. I gotta feel like Popeye. Where spinach come from? Y'all planted that? It's a plant for real. Or is it organic? I'm about to look it up. Let's see how what I was about to say spinach. A spinach. How you say it? Spinach? I'm not saying that shit. That shit is crazy. Spanish. Spanish. You speak Spanish? You want some Spanish?
That's when I realized, I was like, oh, then I kept seeing the other stories, and that's when I was like, okay, yeah, you may know, you may know. They know what you're talking about. Yeah, I mean, you probably got me about some money.
Yeah. That's how I look. I'm trying to see if it's like a plant, like literally, oh, it's not a plant, it's organic. Like, it's organic like fuck. I don't know where it come from. It's Spanish. Hold on, let's see. I'm sorry, y'all. Just, hold on.
Yeah. Yeah. You're right. Yeah. Now listen, man. I be doing like a lot of side stuff, man. That's why I sometimes my dad got a lot of business, so I kind of help him. If I got food stands, I don't do not.
Oh, it's a plant, y'all. It's a pretty plant too.
I mean, you gonna be on the round line, so I'm like, everything right. Yeah. I told him to get on the round line one time. He said, "You got some money,
Just pick 'em like
I
that.
ain't messing with you." When he showed me something ball, I said, "Golly, that's
Baby Spanish.
Oh yeah. Like I said,
I speak baby Spanish.
yeah. But at the same time, we've been doing it.
Y'all understand?
Like, you got money good over for it, where it's like, spin it down, like that. Like, okay, hey,
Spanish.
this part, yeah. So I told him, I said, listen, you know, bring me out pizza there, I'm good. You know what I'm saying? Hello. Hey, how are you, Jay? Yeah, but see, the thing about it is, like, my dad, he just turned 71 this year, right? What? No. But the thing about it is now, okay, so you used to work at Continental Zero Tire, like the tire plant up here, but they had shut down. Yeah, I was not there yet.
Spanish. So the A is all the way in the front, while with spinach, the A is all the way in the back. So that's the difference. Spanish is on spinach.
So that's what I'm saying. Like the him, it ain't nothing. You making me tired of this one. Nah. Right. That's what I said. Listen, if I can be like you or do this, I'm good. He was like, hey, he said, man, you've been doing it ever since you got out of school. So I said, okay.
Spanish. A little bit of Espanol. It's cooking. Oh, it's crazy. Maybe because it needs to be $2. Crazy, y'all. 30 minutes long. It's always a purpose in life. Like, roasted chicken. And then a home style chicken salad.
I'll be back. We don't have it's all out right now. Oh, that one? Yes, sir. Yeah.
Can I get a foot-long steak on Italian river cheese?
I don't have any orange. All I have is Italian and then wheat and honey.
Italian, fine.
Thank you. Yeah, number one.
Happy Jack, please. Yes, please.
Would you like onions and peppers?
No, thank you.
I want a foot long. Should I do a foot long or I have the foot?
Just a second.
Okay, I just want to make sure before I throw it out. Got you.
I didn't know what I wanted. I just don't know what I want for it. 6 feet. I'm gonna be missing it. Like I'm hungry. I might as well do a foot long. Sitting with the kid.
Yes, no, we can't get started for you.
Hi, can I? Where's your turkey? Don't you got a turkey sandwich? Is it the Italian turkey? I mean Titanic turkey? Is that what it is? Can I do that one?
And what kind of bread?
Italian or white?
Okay, vegetables would you like, sir?
Can I get peppers, onions, tomatoes, and cucumbers?
Peppers,
I'm
onions,
just looking at the
tomatoes,
And
Subway
cucumbers? Yep.
Club, but I don't want that. Some turkey.
And then chipotle sauce, please.
Anything else?
That's it.
Can you get back and see if you can rinse off some of that? You don't have to. Or rinse off. You don't have to wash. Oh,
Literally, my stomach growling. Like this ain't even growling, it's growling.
Thank you.
thank you.
And it can stay cold, okay? You don't have to warm it.
You said pepper jack?
No, a provolone.
Okay.
Oh no, not nothing spicy. Maybe next time.
Toasted.
No. Can I get mayo, mustard, lettuce, spinach, pickles, and cucumbers? No tomatoes. Cucumbers.
We're all out right now. I'm sorry.
Okay. And some pickles.
Pickle?
Yes. You can do extra if you don't have cucumbers. Yes. Can I get can I get chips and a drink? Salt, pepper, oil, and vinegar.
You mean regular?
No, not this time.
Small, medium, or large for the drink.
Medium.
$14.38.
Thank you. Okay. You're welcome. Thank you. I want to sit down and eat for a minute. Excuse me, y'all don't make sweet tea?
Huh?
Y'all don't make sweet tea?
Uh-uh.
Okay. This Godzilla drink right here. You guys have lids? Thank you.
Shit, I thought I put one inside the cup.
Oh, it's right here. I'm so silly. I'm silly. I try to put both of them.
This is kind of lettuce, tomato.
Salt and vinegar classics. The classic is salt and vinegar. I don't want to have too much sodium and walk around like a motherfucking salt shaker like shit. Like salt shaker. Drink, food. It's kind of flat, so I low key want. I need something stronger than this, man. I should have mixed it. I should have got a Sprite and a cola. That's what I should. His music sounds so good. Y'all, I don't think y'all ever like watched that Disney Channel movie, Cheetah Girls. But once I heard Lucas playing that guitar, I've been wanting to visit Barcelona for a minute. And him playing that guitar just like, it soothes my headache. Like when you're having a real bad headache, that's so soothing. I better go eat. It's currently 11:44. It's 11:44. So we are about to go eat, shower, sleep.
Going up.
So glad a lot of things in life has been conquered. Besides those 3 bands, life has been good. Life has definitely been lifing. Now you spent 3 bands,
5. Going up.
but you ain't make it. You ain't make it. I don't care how much you want to turn it to a lie, you still didn't make it.